Welcome, Tiny Chef.
Welcome back to Tiny Chef. Did you know that I can give you cooking steps at the pace you want? So if you're familiar with the recipe, just ask me to speak faster. And if you're looking to cook leisurely, ask me to speak slower. Try it next time. Let's get started with the first step. Heat oil in a non-stick pan. Add garlic and saute for half a minute. Add button mushrooms in 1 cup vegetable
Alexa,
stock.
Give me simple steps.
Okay, I'll give you simpler steps. Heat oil in a non-stick pan.
Alexa, next step.
Add garlic and saute for half a minute. Roughly chop shiitake mushrooms and add and mix well.
Alexa, speak faster.
Okay, I'll combine some steps for you. Roughly chop shiitake mushrooms and add and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Do you want to proceed now?